In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your ID on Discord. Now, you want to open up your Discord, and if you are on your phone, you need to click on the bottom right, this image right over here, your profile. Click on that, and here just tap on your name and your username will be copied. And now you just give that username to somebody who wants to add you. So copy paste it, send friend request, and then they will get the friend request. Because Discord has removed the hashtags, so most of the names are now unique. So that's why there are no more hashtags and a random combination of numbers. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.